Hello friends, welcome to your own channel. You know that. Today we are going to talk about why people are not happy. So watch this video till the end. Aim is to get inspired by inspiring others. I will like us to start with one small short exercise. Can you please raise your hands like this? And I will count to 3, and when I say 3, I want you to clap. Okay? Thank you. 1, 2, 3. So I did this just to show that we don't always do what other people tell us to do. We rather do what other people do. And it's very important when it comes to creating happiness in ourselves and others. According to Gallup survey, 85% of the people are not happy with the work or the job they are doing. It's not because of the job, it's not because of the boss, it's not because of the pay, it's not because of the amenities they get. It's because we don't help each other. We have lost generosity. Generosity is doing something for someone else without expecting anything in return at any point of time ever after. Listen carefully. Generosity is doing something for someone else without expecting anything in return at any point of time ever after. Nowadays, we reach to each other only when we need something. That too we reach through messages, phone call, Insta, WhatsApp, Facebook and many other things. We have lost physical interaction with each other. We work in our own small closed cabins without having any sympathy or empathy for the people around and expecting sympathy and empathy from people around. Happiness is a state of mind, and therefore its causes cannot be found outside the mind. Our brain is not on our side when it comes to creating happiness. Our brain is negative bias. It's really difficult to control our thoughts, and we have better chance of controlling our actions. According to study done by Daniel Gilbert and Matthew Killingsworth, our thoughts wander 46.9% of the time we spend awake. Our thoughts are automatic. They have life of their own. And to create happiness just by control positive thinking, I think it's hard. It's difficult. Say, if I ask you to focus on your breath without thinking about anything else for 5 minutes, I don't think anyone in this room would be able to do that. But if I tell you to raise your hand like this for 5 minutes, we all will be able to do that. So, it's really difficult to be happy with a controlled positive thoughts, and we have better chance of controlling our actions, our behavior. Therefore, well-being or happiness is better built by positive actions and not by positive thoughts. So make certain that we should be never without an important goal. It's not about being with the person who makes you happy. It's about being the person who makes you happy. Happiness is when what we think, what we say, and what we do are in harmony. The art of being happy is to be satisfied with whatever we have. Many people suffer from a disease called more. Whatever they achieve, wherever they reach, they feel that this is not enough. They want more. Learn to appreciate whatever you have. Time is a gift of God, and no one knows how much we are allotted with. So be happy today, now, this moment with whatever you have. It allows no balance and no overdraft facility. Don't get upset with the people or a situation. Both are powerless without your reaction. Donor is the receiver of happiness. Listen carefully. Donor is the receiver of happiness. Or in other words, happiness is reserved for the donors. Say for example, if you give 10 rupees to a beggar or a needy person, you will feel happy. If you don't give, either you will feel sad or you will feel nothing. But to feel happy, you need to give. Researchers from the Harvard University studied around 700 people for a long period of 74 years, from 1938 to 2012. They studied them every 5 years. Their blood reports, their scannings were done, their finance were studied, their economical, emotional backgrounds were studied, their relations were studied. And after that, they found that happiness doesn't come from the wealth. Happiness doesn't come from the fame. Happiness doesn't come from working hard. It comes from healthy relationship. I will like you to repeat same exercise one more time. So please raise your hands like this, and I will count to 3. And when I say 3, I want you to clap. Okay? 1, 2, 3. See, many people have changed their behavior. We change our behavior by seeing other people's behavior. I just did this exercise only 2 times and many have changed their behavior. So, the more you can turn this talk into action, I think that other will follow your example and do as you do. So be happy to see the people around you happy. The phrase is, be happy to see happy. That's all for the day. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Your constructive feedback inspires us. Please comment, forward, press the bell icon and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you very much again. Take care. Be happy. God bless us. This is Dhananjay Patil signing out. Till we meet again in the next video. Bye. Take care. Bye.